So guys, I am going to show you a little trip down to the garden, and in there's going to be something hidden. If you can spot it when I swirl the camera around, and tell me on the comments where it was, I will make a video for you on it. You have to leave your YouTube name on it as well, and whatever you want me to say. Basically, I don't think some of you will want me to do this because you don't really know me. I'm quite a new person. Maker of the emotion. I do the voices and basically everything. Me and my brother, but my brother's kind of dropping off at the moment. Okay, I'll see you when we get downstairs. Now, what you are looking for is a little blue bird, just like this one. Tweet, 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 tweet. Now, if you can spot it, remember, I will do a video. Here we go. Can you see the bluebird? Can you see the bluebird? Is he in? Where could the bluebird be? If you spot him, tell me. And the first person to reply will have a comment, a video put onto the thing, onto my channel for them. Can you see it? And it's not the bird I'm just looking at now. So, did you spot the bird? If you did, tell me about it in the comments. Okay, see you next time on Gw1.